The Regulating Act of 1773 was a significant piece of legislation passed by the British Parliament to reform the administration of the East India Company and its territories in India. It marked the beginning of British parliamentary control over the company and laid the foundation for colonial rule in India. The Act established the office of the Governor-General of Bengal, who would oversee the presidencies of Madras and Bombay. Warren Hastings was appointed as the first Governor-General, assisted by a council of 4 members, with decisions made by majority vote. The Bengal presidency was given supremacy over the other 2 presidencies in matters of war, revenue, and diplomacy. The Act established the Supreme Court of Judicature at Calcutta in 1774 to oversee legal matters and ensure justice for British subjects in India, consisting of a Chief Justice and 3 other judges, all appointed by the British Crown. It aimed to curb corruption and mismanagement within the company by requiring regular reports to be submitted to the British government, extending the term of the Court of Directors from 1 year to 4 years, with 1/4 of the directors retiring annually. The Act required the company to submit its civil and military affairs to the British government for review, marking the beginning of parliamentary control over Indian administration. It was the first step by the British government to regulate the East India Company's affairs and establish control over its territories in India, laying the groundwork for future administrative and legal reforms in British India. However, the Act had several flaws, such as unclear boundaries of authority between the Governor-General and the Council, leading to conflicts and inefficiencies. It did not fully address the issues of corruption and mismanagement within the company, and the Governor-General's powers were limited by the Council, leading to frequent disagreements and deadlocks. The Regulating Act of 1773 was followed by further reforms, including the Pitt's India Act of 1784, which sought to address some of its shortcomings and strengthen British control over India.